Yeah, where's the engineer?
Here he comes. Say hi, Eli. Come on, Lava. You can't talk. Hi, hi, right hi,
Conductor's got to get everybody off. He'll say all aboard when he's ready. Where's my conductor? I don't see a conductor.
Hooray!
Where's the conductor?
The board.
Great weather.
I'm going to take a line from the conductor. That's an air-conditioned car. That's a not air-conditioned car. Hold up your strollers. Hold up your strollers.
Oh my goodness, he's having such a hard time with this crap. Oh, wow.
Just the way the seat is.
Hi, Ryan. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Where's my mama? Mama. Mama. Mila, you super excited? Yeah. Yeah.
Next time I'm buying that like